Hey. Excuse me, mister. What? I was hungry. You're eating our sign. Yeah, so? Oh, give me it. I want more. Hey, you almost ready to get this thing going? Yeah, Olaf, I had to go inside to get something to drink. Oh, let's get going here. Come on, chop, chop. All right, don't tell me what to do. I'm gonna do, Olaf. You big goat. All right, look out, buddy. What? Hey guys, me Olaf. All right, Obo, back up, man. Jeez. All right. All right, so what we're doing today, we're gonna cut out part of the muffler and put a slip in there and tighten it up. Notice that the car is starting to getting really loud, make a lot of noise. And when I went through, looked at the muffler, which is always fun laying on the ground here, I found that right back where the muffler connects, back up in there, where it was welded together, is leaking, or it's got a hole in it. So let's go ahead and get this back on here, and we'll go ahead and cut that out and get the new part in. So here we go. All right. Good on both sides. So you can hear how noisy that is. I use some of Olaf's grain bags here. They always come in handy. Hey, can I come under there with you? Olaf, there's not enough room. Come on, man. Well, I can squeeze. No, you stay out there, okay? All right, give me some room. No need for two of us to be under here. All right? All right, big knucklehead. All right, back up. Alright, so we got that cut now. Alright, so let's cut a piece of this to go in there now. Alright. So, alright. Alright, so we got that on now. Alright, let's get the other one on. Alright, now that we got them on there, let's go ahead and tighten it up. now that we got that on, it's nice and tight. All right, let's go ahead and fire her up and see how she does. All right. All right, so 100 times quieter and we're all set now. So just a quick and easy way to patch up your exhaust system. So, all right, so hope you guys enjoy, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye. You hear how quiet the muffler is now. You can't say goodbye without saying goodbye to me. All right, Olaf. We'll see you on the next one. All right. Bye, Obo. Hi, guys.